Hello, children. How are you guys doing? I know you are trapped inside your homes these days and you must be feeling pretty bored, right? So, I thought I'd do something for you guys. My name is Joseph. I'm also called Jody the cartoonist. Um, you can find me on Facebook page Jody's Art. It's written like this. And there you will see quite a few cartoons that I post almost on a daily basis. But today I'm going to teach you something very fun and easy. I hope you will follow along with your pen and paper. I'm going to do it digitally because it's easier for me to record what I'm teaching you. So let's start. Today we are going to do an unique cartoon that used to be left on walls everywhere that this soldier named KILROY would go in the Second World War. And this is what he would do. His cartoon was simple. It was like this, and then he would do a long nose like this, and the eyes, and then he would write KILROY was here. Okay, that's pretty simple, right? Now I'm going to teach you different versions of the same cartoon. Let's start with my version, which is going to be this one. So we start the same way. We do, bear with me a second. Okay, we do this. We'll give him a ear, a large forehead, and then you see this, we start drawing a big nose like this. We'll draw eyebrows, give him a couple of hair, and then maybe you want to add some hair on his ears, you could. And then we'll not draw the eyes as yet. We will draw a ball from where he is peeping. And now you can draw eyes. You could draw the eyes like this, looking sideways or cockeyed or whatever you wish to do. And you fill the eyes like this. And then just for fun's sake, let's put in a few pimples on his nose, right? If you want to take this drawing a little further, let's draw his fingers, which are peeping over the wall like this. And then extend the wall line beyond. You see this? Like so. I'm going to put in a few of my squiggles here and there. And then if you want to make it more believable, let's do the brickwork on the wall. Like so. And if you would like to write KILROY was here, or maybe your own name, I will write my name maybe in red, and I'll write Joe D was here. Okay, that was easy, right? Of course, if you want to sign your beautiful drawing, you may. Now, one other thing, I'll show you another variation of the same drawing. Let's clear the canvas, and then let's do another version. If you are in India, maybe you could draw someone who's like, you know, wearing a Nehru cap or something. You could do that. And then some hair sticking out there, like how R.K. Lakshman would draw a politician. You know R.K. Lakshman, the great cartoonist? Okay, now if you want to draw his ears peeping above the wall, you could. And then, as I had told you, you have to draw the wall from where he is peeping. If you want, you can put the pimples on him too. And then you could put fingers above the wall and extend the wall line like this. Do the other set of fingers. Maybe this time you want to put his thumbs here. Now, if you want to change the type of wall, you may. You may, if you want to. You could make it some kind of a wooden fencing, and a wooden fence would have some markings of the wood, the grain. You could do that. Like so. And then, if you want to push this drawing a little further, you could do that too. You could draw some leaves and some branches of a tree coming through. You could draw some birds in the sky. You could draw some clouds. And here you are, you've got another variation to practice. So, children, I hope you liked my video on drawing KILROY, the cartoon. And if you like my video, please do subscribe to more videos which I intend to post in the coming days. And let's learn to be cartoonists. Ciao, bye.